Bro watched one movie and immediately unlocked main character energy. Some cats chase lasers. This one protects the entire apartment complex. With great power comes great responsibility and zero regard for your furniture. Okay, wait. He might actually pull this off. Bro thinks he's about to save the city. Ladies and gentlemen, the heroic leap. Mission successful. According to him, saving the city. One destroyed curtain at a time. Bro's a literal menace. Bro watched one movie and immediately unlocked main character energy.